Hi guys, Stefan here from Food and Travel. We are a German couple traveling around Australia in our own four-wheel drive twice a year. At the moment we are camping at September Beach a couple of days. It's a really amazing spot. So I thought I would take the opportunity to demonstrate you the 115 watt solar blanket from REDARC. We use it for charging our auxiliary battery, which is powering a 47-liter fridge in the back of our four-wheel drive. We also charge our smartphones, netbooks and the drone. And the best thing about this solar blanket is the size and the weight. As you can see, it's folded up in this little package, which fits perfect in our drawer system at the rear of our four-wheel drive. So all you have to do is lay it in the sun, fold it out like this, and just connect the Anderson plug, which is already plugged in, into the REDARC solar regulator under the bonnet. Here we go. It's that easy, and the best thing of all, it always keeps your beer cold. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.